Yeah. See you along the journey of life, yeah. Yeah. Life is just a journey, yeah. Many turns and corners for you to go along. There are many crossroads and signs. Yes, many resting points. A lot of turning points in my life, yeah. And that's why I'm gonna make it right, yeah. I don't have to be rich as long as I survive when I say, oh, this life, yeah, it's just a journey, yeah. Oh, every day more and more lessons you learn it, yeah. Life is just a journey, yeah. As I go along, more and more I'm learning, yeah. As I reach at a crossroad, I gotta know which way to choose. I know where I'm coming from, so God, please don't let me be confused now. There are a lot of shortcuts, a lot of obstacles in your way. Sometimes the rain came coming down and the path seems so muddy, yeah. And the sun seems to shining and it feels so hot along the roadway. But keep along on your journey. Our life is just a journey, yeah. The more I go along, the more I'm learning, yeah. Life is just a journey, yeah. The more you go along, the more you're learning and learning and learning, yeah. I never wanna hold my head down, but I try to keep a firm feet on the ground. As I look towards the future, my past is scripted along and kept along with me, yeah. Oh, and my mind I can see, yeah, that I belong in this life and I'm free to say, no life is just a journey, yeah. The more I live, the more I go along, the more I keep learning, yeah. Learning and learning, yeah. Life is just a journey, yeah. The more you go along, keep on learning and learning, yeah.